In this video, we are going to look at how you can revise for your examination and pass highly. Welcome. You may be thinking that the forthcoming examination is like the end of the world. Yes, it is important, but you should go through it without panicking or with anxiety. In this video, we give you simple revision techniques that will ensure that you revise well and pass the examination highly. Number 1, draw up a timetable that will guide your revision and make sure you stick to it. You need to remember that all the subjects registered for are important, and you must have a slot for each one of them in your revision schedule every day. In your timetable, make sure you plan for every minute and hour, but do not forget to also spare time for exercises. More importantly, include time to relax in your timetable. A revision plan will reduce anxiety and reassure you that you have taken the necessary steps to revise and pass your examination. Number 2, have clear goals for each revision session. If, for example, you have decided to revise the theme of betrayal in the novel Blossoms of the Savannah, then at the end of the revision session, tick on your list of areas to be covered to show that now you are through with that aspect. Number 3, make short notes as you revise. As you revise, make sure you make short notes that you can easily refer to. The process of writing the short notes will also help you to remember. As you move closer to the examination, you will rely on these short notes. Opening big books at that point may fill you with the thought that you have a lot to do within limited time. The point here is that you need to avoid all things that will make you panic. You may also benefit by drawing a doodle while you study. We all are visual learners. It becomes easy to remember if you break down the information into drawings or diagrams. Number 4, set questions on various topics and answer them. These questions are important for self-testing. You may also get a friend or a family member to quiz you. A study partner is very important here. Do not feel ashamed when you get the answer wrong. That is the time you can go back to your notes and try to master the areas you have a problem with. Number 5, take time to recall and summarize. The human mind works in a very strange way. The more you think about the subject and recall the facts, the more your mind will remember the facts. So, your mind should be focused on nothing else but your studies. A better way of recalling is writing your short notes from memory. Number 6, explain those areas you have mastered to another person. It is difficult to forget something if you take time to explain it to someone else. If you do not have anyone around, then explain it to your mirror. The point here is that you need to take time to talk to someone as if the person is learning about the subject for the first time and you are the teacher. This will force you to clarify the information and lay it all out in the most concise and simple way possible. Number 7, answer as many questions as possible. Try to answer past examination questions in the same time limit as the real examination will be. This gives you an opportunity to test yourself under the same constraints. It will be a chance to see whether there are gaps in your knowledge that you need to go back over. Answer these questions under timed conditions. Number 8, take reasonable breaks as you revise. Remember that the human mind also gets tired. So, take reasonable breaks as you revise. If you take breaks regularly, your concentration will be better. You will also realize if you take breaks, you will find yourself retaining more information than if you try to read when you are tired. Do not waste energy and time revising with an overtired mind. Number 9, and last, talk to your teachers, parents, and classmates. Your teachers are an important resource. Talk to them. Also talk to your parents. You'll also need to come up with a study group of your classmates. You should have strict rules to guide your discussion as a group. On that note, we come to the end of this video in which we focused on how you can revise and pass your examination highly. On behalf of my crew, NECA and